Nervous. I mean, that's...
Yeah, genuinely terrified.
Good morning everyone and welcome to Newfound Sound at the Hippodrome Silent Film Festival.
The piece we've produced is part of the bit for Sadness and Gladness, the silent film.
We've been composing music for our youth orchestra and conducting them.
And they are going to be playing pieces that our whole group has composed, so it's quite an exciting opportunity.
It's a really good experience that I'll never forget.
Yeah,
Really good.
same.
So the film we made stuff for was Climbing in Skye, which is 1947, and it was an advert for the Viking Rope Company.
I would say it matches what's going on the screen, like at the start, how it's sort of more mellow and sort of keeping up to tempo with when they're going up, and then it's more tense when they start climbing. The other good thing about playing in the Hippodrome, since it's such an old cinema, it's got really good acoustics, so it's quite nice to play in this kind of environment.